All right, so let's do this writing linear equations. And so we're just talking about like all of them kind of together. So it says, first of all, write in point slope form, convert it to slope intercept form, then convert to standard form. All right, so we're gonna do all three. Let's do a quick shake up reminder. What do they look like? Let's go point slope to start with. All right, point slope, it is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Perfect. Let's go slope intercept. It is y equals mx plus b. Okay. Let's go standard. So this is kind of new to us, standard, but it's ax plus by equals c. All right, let's get it there, man. Let's do this. Awesome. Ready? And we're just going to kind of work through some of these problems and just kind of pow, right? Get these things knocked out. All right, through these 2 points. All right, so we're just going straight for the jugular, right? We're going, man, we're going to get this, and we're going to have to find it all. So let's start with what we know. We know that slope is equal to y2, that's 4, minus -5, which is y1, over -4, which is x1, minus 1. Minus negative is a positive, that's 9 over -5. Okay, so that looks good. We'll go with that for now. Okay, and then we will do, that's my slope. So let's do point slope form. Ready? First form, y, let's pick, let's do this value, right? Y minus y1 equals m, put the negative out front, x minus x1. Let's clean that up a little bit. Y plus 5 equals -9/5 x minus 1. Okay, done there. What we're going to do, we're going to convert this to slope intercept form. So watch how you do this. You distribute the -9/5 across there. So y plus 5 equals -9/5 x plus 9/5. Then we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. And then we're going to subtract 5 from the 9/5 because they're both numbers. So I get y is equal to -9/5 x. Now this right here takes a little bit of ingenuity. We got to do that. And then it's positive 9/5. And we got a -5. But basically what we need to do, it's 5 over 1. I cannot put these together unless my fractions are the same. So let's do that. Let's multiply that. Let's try that again. Let's multiply that by 5. Let's multiply that by 5. So then it looks like 25 over 5. All right, so let me rewrite this. It's 9/5 minus 25 over 5. So if I take 9 minus 25, that's the top, 9 minus 25, it gives me -16 over 5. That's what we plug back into this equation, -16 over 5. That is done, and we are done with the slope intercept one. We got point slope, we got slope intercept. Let's go on to standard form. Standard form, here's how we're going to do that. Right, now we got to get the x and the y on the same side. So I'm going to add 9/5 back over here, 9/5 x, add 9/5 x here. So then I'm going to get 9/5 x plus y equals -16/5. Now the other part about standard form, we don't want fractions in the front. I don't want fractions in the x if I can deal with that. Can we deal with it? Absolutely. Here's that algebra skill. If I multiply everything by 5, this by 5, this by 5, this by 5, what's going to happen is the 5 on the bottom is going to go away on both of those, and it's going to be 5 there. So we're going to get 9x plus 5y equals -16. Standard form. Look at that, huh? 3 of them at standard form. Let's skip around a little bit. Let's go down to this one. Okay, here's another one. Let's try one more. Let's do the same thing. Let's get all these forms going. So let's go m equals y2 minus y1, 5 minus negative 2 over 3 minus 0. Okay, so again, negative and negative, that's add. So we are going to get 7 over 3. There's my slope. All right, let's do point slope form. First, y minus, I'm going to use that one right there, y1 equals m 7/3 x minus x1. I'm going to use that right there, 0. Oh, nope, let's not do that yet. Let's clean this up a little bit, right? The minus negative. Y plus 2 equals 7/3. Let's just call that x, right? Because that 0 right there is just going to kind of go away. There it is in point slope form. So now let's convert to slope intercept, subtract 2 from both sides. So I get y equals 7/3 x minus 2. Man, done. Dude, I like that one, right? Slope intercept form. All right, now convert to standard form. Standard form, we're going to add 7/3 x, add 7/3 x. So I get 7/3 x plus y equals negative 2. All right, super duper close now. I just don't like that fraction in the front. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply everything by 3. You always multiply by the denominator because the denominator will cancel out the bottom. So then we got 7x plus 3y equals negative 6. Standard form. There it is, right there. That's the kind of stuff we want to do. Now there's a whole bunch more that you could practice on, right? Just get those a practice and see if we can get those all done. But at the end of the day, you're going to see the same thing over and over and over again. And I just want you to be able to do all of those, right? So we'll be looking at doing those through a little bit of review. So Friday, kind of get ready to review through and rock some problems like this, okay? All right, hang in there. You guys are doing great.